Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about formatted printing using format function. Let me illustrate it with an example. I'm having a variable called name and it has a string which is Bob here, and I'm having another variable called age. It is equal to 30. I would like to print the message in the output. So I type down my name is in curly braces empty, and I am in curly braces that are empty years old, and then I close the quote. After closing the quote, I use dot and I call format function, and in parentheses, because I was having two curly braces, I type down the name of my variables that I would like to be inserted in the curly braces respectively. So my name is, I would like the name variable Bob to be inserted in the first one, so this is why I'm calling the name firstly. Then and I am, then age is going to be inserted in the second curly braces. This is why I'm talking about age as the second variable here, years old. So when I run this code, I have my name is Bob and I am 30 years old. So using format function, we can also have our printing in the output, but we need to be careful that we have dot, then the name of the format, then the variables that I would like to be inserted in the empty curly braces. And one thing to check is that we need to have the same number of variables in the parentheses as the number of empty curly braces in our message here. Thank you for watching.